This is
Some
stuff.
Hi everybody, in today's video we're installing one of these wall plugs. It's got USB, which is of course very handy. This is for South African plugs, so it's something you're interested in. Continue watching. So this plate's going to stay. This will be mounted right inside, but we're going to have to remove just the screws and then affix it to there. But of course, first things first is to pull through the wiring. Okay, so the back of the plug looks like this. You'll see there's an L over here. It's very faint, but the left one, it says L, it's for live, and the N is for neutral. And the top you can see that's the sign for ground. The N one will be the blue one, and the brown one will be live, and the green and yellow will be earth. So before installing the plug itself, the wall plug, make sure that the wiring, that the source for power is not on while you install this, because that would be bad. Live will go in here. Just gently pull to make sure it's fine. Just make sure it's in. So now all three are in. I'm just going to give it a tug to make sure it's in. Now that's the top, that's the bottom. Cut, good. And now we just have to put in this. That's the bottom part, and it clips in, hopefully. And there we have it. Now we're going to test it. Now we can test. This is a color coded, it's got LED in, so let's put it right in here, and I think it will be this one. And you can see the cord is purple and it's on, and there's a red light showing continuity.
Da, da, da.